Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. You guys, it literally feels like it's been forever since I've been on this channel. If you guys didn't know, I have been so busy all of December vlogging every single day over on my vlog channel. I've been doing Vlogmas, and Vlogmas is where you vlog every single day from December 1st all the way up till December 25th. And I've just been so busy doing that. Literally vlogging every single day has got me tired, you guys. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to my vlog channel, make sure you guys go do so and go catch up on all the vlogs. And then also, for those of you guys that don't know, I am currently having a giveaway running on this channel. That giveaway ends tomorrow night, and oh my goodness, you guys, I can't believe that tomorrow is literally Christmas Eve. I know that I'm uploading this video super duper late. It's currently 10:05 p.m. but I really just want to get this video filmed and uploaded for you guys because I need to do some catching up, you guys, and I apologize that I am so behind with all the BBW news. Like, seriously, I apologize, but oh my goodness, we have a lot to talk about. Today we're going to be talking about all things semi-annual sale. Semi-annual sale starts this Monday, December 26th, the day after Christmas. And you guys, I feel like it's going to be a good semi-annual sale. I went into the stores maybe like a couple days ago, and I did see like a few new body care items that's going to be out for S.A.S. My store just ended up having some of the body care up early. So without further ado, let's jump in right into this video. Thank you so much to Skylar Fragrances for sending me this complimentary fragrance. Alright, you guys, so before we get on into today's video, I need to talk to you guys about today's sponsor. So we're going to be talking about Skylar Fragrances. Now, you guys know that I've talked about them in the past, and I've worked with them many times now, and they just came out with a brand new fragrance, and this is their Peach Fields fragrance. It's now available in Sephora for you guys to go shop and purchase it. So on the back of the box, there's a little message that just says, "The radiant sun ripens anew buds of the season's harvest. An elevated peach-inspired scent with grounding woody notes to transport you into life's sweetest moments." Now, I think that's why I really like this fragrance, is because I love anything that's woody, and this is just so good, you guys. So they describe the fragrance as juicy, lush, and flirty, and the fragrance notes, we have white peach, osmanthus, I've never heard of that, and then we also have sandalwood. And look who decided to join us, you guys. The most annoying little cat in the world. Say hi. So let's go ahead, let's open up this fragrance, you guys, and let me just spray it for you guys. This is what the bottle looks like. It's seriously so nice, pretty, aesthetic. It just looks nice on your counter. And then on the back, there's just a beautiful picture of a peach. So let's go ahead, we're gonna spray just a little spritz on our wrist, and then we're just gonna tap it in. Oh my goodness, you guys, it smells so good. I'm obsessed with it. I'm absolutely obsessed. Definitely go check out Skylar Fragrance's new Peach Fields fragrance, now available in Sephora. Alright, so like I mentioned, semi-annual sale starts Monday, December 26th. We are literally only a few days away, and it's just absolutely crazy to think that semi-annual sale is here yet again. I feel like semi-annual sale ends up coming earlier and earlier each year, even though it's not, but like it just feels that way. It's crazy, you guys. So for today's video, I just kind of wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks to share with you guys how to prepare and how to get yourself ready for the semi-annual sale. For me personally, I feel like the last couple months I have definitely like slowed down on shopping at Bath & Body Works. Like, I get a few things every now and then, but like I'm not shopping like crazy like I used to. You guys know that I would go hard, and now I've kind of taken a step back and just kind of want to take a break from Bath & Body Works. Not like completely stop shopping, but just stop getting things that I don't need, like repackages and things like that, unless it's like a really nice packaging that I want just for myself, like for collection purposes. But as far as that goes, like I really don't need anything. If this is your guys' first time shopping Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale, this is definitely going to be exciting and possibly a little overwhelming, but it's definitely definitely a lot of fun, you guys. So for starters, whether you've been collecting Bath & Body Works for a long time, or for those of you guys that just have a small little collection, like just a few mists and stuff, I definitely recommend you guys go and just do a whole inventory list and see what you have, see and take notes of items that you're wanting, some backups, etc. Because there's nothing worse than just going into Bath & Body Works blindly and just grabbing a bunch of things, and then you get home and you're like, oh, I really didn't need this, I didn't need this, and it just ends up being unnecessary money that you just spent. So that's definitely one of my number one tips for you guys. Like, I definitely go and take inventory. Tip number 2, so on semi-annual sale day 1, I personally recommend doing this. I know some other people are gonna say no, it's not necessary, but this is just what I recommend. I recommend getting to the store when they first open, on day 1 at least. I just recommend it because on day 1 you're gonna have some fresh goodies there on all the tables. The 50% off table, the 75% off table, and then like the $4.95 table. There are gonna be some fun gems there, and during like the first week of semi-annual sale is when you're gonna find those hidden gems. And of course, throughout the whole couple weeks of the sale, you like hidden gems will pop up, but day 1, at least for me, is when I end up finding the most hidden gems. Okay, so tip number 3, and this is a tip that I should have just mentioned at the beginning of the video, but that is to just make a budget. There's nothing worse than spending unnecessary money that you could have used to go towards something else, and just making a budget ensures that you're not going to go over that, and it just keeps you in your lane, you know? Personally, I think my budget this last semi-annual sale, I think I said that I was going to do like $200, and I think I ended up spending around like $200 to $250 that sale, and just in total throughout like the whole entire weeks it was like $200 to $250, and I was pretty good with that. I was still able to grab a bunch of things, whether your budget's $20, $50, $100, $1,000, literally just with the $20 you're gonna be able to grab quite a few things. Like, it's such an amazing sale, guys, and it's definitely a sale that you're not gonna want to miss out on, especially with it being Christmas weekend and this last week. A lot of us have spent our paychecks buying Christmas gifts for others, but then also for Christmas a lot of us like tend to get some cash in our stocking stuffers or something like that, so definitely use that and go shopping for semi-annual sale. Okay, so tip number 4, although this isn't certain that you're gonna get all these items, I definitely recommend you make a wish list. Make a wish list of items that you wish to see during semi-annual sale, because a lot of the times different stores will put out items that aren't technically supposed to be out, like MOS items, even though Bath & Body Works isn't doing MOS anymore, but like those products that they're not supposed to sell, a lot of like the store managers will put those items out just to sell them, and you can definitely score them for like really cheap. So it's definitely worth making a wish list, and then if you come across that item, like cross it off that wish list, and then you can move on from there. Personally, I don't have a wish list this semi-annual sale, and that's just because I really don't need anything, or there's not like anything that I necessarily want. One thing actually, that's a lie. There is this one body care scent that I do want to get, and I don't know if this is new, but I did see it in stores the other day, and it is called Pink Lily and Bamboo. Now you guys, Pink Lily and Bamboo is like super fresh, and I definitely see it being my like end of spring, early summer type of scent, or if I go on vacation somewhere warm, like this is definitely a scent that I'm gonna want to bring with me because it seriously smells that good. I have a picture of it, but I forgot to grab the scent notes, you guys, so I apologize about that. So I can't really tell you what the scent notes are. Alright, you guys, so right here I have the Bath & Body Works website pulled up, and I kind of just want to go through some of the items and see if we have like anything new as far as items that will be there and available for semi-annual sale. I can see that they put Laundry Day, Bergamot Waters, and Tiki Beach up on the website, and also like candles are currently $19.50. Like, I feel like that is just such a ridiculous price. Like, that's not even a sale, that's literally just a slap in the face. Like, what the heck. On the first page, like, I'm really not seeing like any like Candle Day exclusive candles yet. We'll probably see those like Sunday night or something. I see that we have the Ginger Lime Twist. That candle actually came out for Candle Day, and I have that candle. I need to do my review on it and still burn it. I haven't burnt it yet, but it definitely smells really good on cold, you guys. It's definitely a candle that I can say that I'll recommend just because I do like how it smells on cold. So the notes in Ginger Lime Twist, we have fresh lime zest, fizzy ginger beer, and crushed mint leaves. Now, those are just such amazing notes. Definitely perfect for the spring and summertime. Let's see what else they got. So we have strawberry pound cake. It's not a new scent, as you guys know. Bath & Body Works likes to repackage the hell out of strawberry pound cake, but it is in that new packaging, in that new collection. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot about this candle. Blueberry marshmallow bar. I want that candle. I haven't smelled it yet, so that's definitely a candle that's on my semi-annual sale list. Will it be on sale? I have no idea. We also have the Sunshine and Daffodils. I don't know why it's saying new. That's definitely not new. Let's see. Indigo Paradise. That's definitely a candle that I do want to try. What else do we got, you guys? Oh my goodness, they have a Cider Lane still available online. You guys, I love Cider Lane so much. And also pumpkin carvings available online. Pumpkin carving will always be my #1 candle from Bath & Body Works, you guys. I did a whole video on it like 2 years ago. Was it 2 years ago? No, it was just a little over a year ago. I love that candle so much. It also looks like we still have some of like the 4th of July candles on here. It's crazy. I think that's everything as far as candles go. Let's move on into the body care. Let's see. What is new? Fragrance. All fragrance. Alright. Let's take a little look, you guys, and see. I'm guessing that the first day of semi-annual sale, December 26th, all of the Christmas body care, so that's going to be your Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple, Twisted Peppermint, that's all probably going to be $4.95 on the first day. Obviously, I'm not exactly sure on those prices, but that's just what I'm guessing because that's just what they've done in the past. Prismatic Stars, that's a brand new fragrance. That's definitely one on my list now. I keep, like, see you guys, like, I'm slowly adding things to my wish list now. So I definitely want to get Prismatic Stars. There's also Sapphire Moon that I want to get. Blush Cardigan, I did smell that one in stores a couple weeks ago and I did like that. Fireside Flurries, I do love that scent, but I have one from last year that I haven't even really used. I do like it though. Golden Eclipse, ooh, that packaging is pretty, you guys. I want that. The Dream Bright perfume, if I'm able to get my hands on that, if that ends up going on sale, then I definitely want that fragrance. Dream Bright smells amazing. Vanilla Mocha Martini, I did not do a review on that. I did end up picking that up, but honestly, you guys, I really do not like the fragrance at all. I picked it up because I had a free reward and I don't know, it was kind of a disappointment in my opinion. So I don't know, if you guys still want to see a review on that, let me know and I can do one for you guys, but I did not like it. Alright, I'm trying to like scroll through and see if I see anything new. So far, nothing new yet, you guys. Nothing new. Also, definitely get excited for December 26th for semi-annual sale day 1 because I am going to be doing a whole shop with me type video, and then following that I will be doing a huge haul for you guys as well. Semi-annual sale hauls and shop with me's are one of my top videos that I love doing for you guys, and it's definitely a video that you're not going to want to miss. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe so then you're notified for when I upload that video. Okay, so I'm not really seeing anything special on the website, you guys. We're really not going to be seeing anything until probably Sunday night or Monday really early in the morning. Definitely excited for semi-annual sale, you guys. I hope these tips and information helped you out and kind of gave you an idea on what to expect for semi-annual sale. Sometimes you get crazy lines, sometimes you don't. It just kind of depends store by store. I'm probably gonna hit up maybe 3 locations on day 1 and just kind of check things out. That doesn't mean that I'm gonna be spending money out the wazoo, you know, at all 3 locations. I just like to check a couple locations out and see if I can find some hidden gems, just because items do vary store by store. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun talking about semi-annual sale again. I can't believe that it's that time of year again. It's just crazy. I hope you guys have a great night, and if you watch this video the second that I uploaded it, oh my goodness, I love you guys so much. Like, you guys seriously just mean everything to me. I'm just excited, you guys. And just Christmas Day in general. I feel like it's just gonna be an amazing holiday and just a great weekend. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you guys go and enter the giveaway that's currently going on, because again, it does end tomorrow night. Yeah, I think that's everything. I'm gonna be sipping my candy cane shake right here. Gonna go edit this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye guys.